Right now I'm going to show everybody how to repair a fuel line. Have you ever had a fuel line that was leaking? You were smelling gas when you're driving your car, you're not sure exactly where it's coming from? Well, this is what happened on mine. I was leaking gas right about here. I looked underneath, I saw this fuel line that runs upwards. Right behind here that goes to the fuel rail. Once I took it off, I noticed there was this hole. Gas was squirting out of it, allowing it to fall down. So do not ignore when you're smelling fuel coming out of your vehicle. I went to O'Reilly's and I picked up some 5/16 compression fittings. These actually fit for my application. How you're going to be able to tell, you're going to twist these off here. So we got this piece right on the line, and you're going to make sure that this piece is going to fit on that line nice and snug, so we know that that's going to work. So after you got your fittings on both sides, all you're going to do is put your piece that you're going to connect it to. Just like this. Oh. Again. Like that. Then you just connect your other side the exact same way. Now you got yourself a fully repaired gas line.